Hello everyone, welcome to Korean Food Channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make tteok-boki. Tteok-boki is a popular Korean food made from small-sized rice cake. It is commonly eaten at snack bars as well as street stalls in Korea. And also, it can be easily made at home. Tteok-boki can be seasoned with either spicy chili paste sauce called Gochujang or non-spicy soy sauce called Ganjang. And today, I'm gonna make Gochujang-based tteok-boki. Okay, let's get started. First thing you have to do is make broth with anchovies and kelp. On a heated pan, fry anchovies lightly. Add water and kelp. Boil them together for about 15 minutes without the lid to get rid of fish smell. While broth is being made, let's make tteok-boki sauce. In a bowl, put chili paste, chili powder, sugar, chopped garlic, pepper, and corn syrup, and mix them all together. When the broth is finished, remove the anchovies and kelp. Put the rice cake and spicy sauce together and stir them in a high heat. When it starts sizzling, stir occasionally in a medium heat about 5 minutes. Put fish cakes and keep boiling. Put green onions and hard-boiled eggs. It is done.